Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to Qshell. Okay, so what we are going to discuss today, I'll tell you a way through which you can search for a specific keyword with multiple files. Okay, so let's say if there is any specific word for which you are looking into files, and there are multiple files, right, in our system, and we want to check out. Let's say there are two or three files where we I want to check where that keyword is present or not, whether the keyword is present or not. So for this reason, I'm going to use the grep command. If you remember, in last session also we discussed about a grep command which we used in order to search for a data in a particular file. But this time we are going to use the grep command in order to search within multiple files. So this is the difference in last session and today's session. Okay, few things are different, so I'll explain you one by one. So how we are going to proceed with this session? First of all, I'll tell you about the scenarios, and even before the scenarios I'll tell you about the files which we are going to use for the demo purpose. So we will take two files, and on the basis of those two files we will perform the demo with the help of grep command. Once we are comfortable with the data, then we will we will see how we can utilize the command on Qshell, and then later we will see the uh, how we can write or execute the command Qshell command through clle program. Okay, so this is how we are going to proceed with this session. So let me start with files first. I'll tell you what all files we are going to use today. So for that I'm just going to hit one command, work lnk, work lnk. Now if I hit enter here, you will find that it contains multiple files and directories. So my first file, or you can say my file second, because I have stored file second in one directory and file one at home location. So here I'm taking option 5. After taking 5, it shows me this list of files which is present here. So at the moment we have only one file, so I'm taking 5 again on this file. So here you can see we have noted down two lines. First one is capital ABC and second one is demo from file 2. So just assume this abc.txt as file 2. Got it? Now what we will do, we will search for the keyword demo, small demo, demo. Okay, so this is the one file which contains the data that contains the keyword demo. Fine. Now I'll show you the second file which also contains this data. So for that, again I'm going to hit the same command, work lnk, work lnk, hitting enter, doing page down, and here I'll find one file which is abc.txt. So if I take option 5 here, you will find we have two lines which contains the same keyword, demo from file 1 and demo from file 1 line 2. So this is my file 1 location, and the one which I just showed you is my file second location. Okay, so from here, like after taking 5, or you can edit the data and then you can take this location as a file. Okay, so this is my file location. This is very important thing because this thing we are going to use for our demo purpose. Okay, fine. So this is ready. Now the requirement is clear that we are going to search for the demo keyword, and it should show me all the lines in both the files where it is present. So for this we will use the grep command, grep qshell command. So for that you just need to write qsh here, which is start the qshell command prompt. So this is qshell command entry screen where where we can put any of the commands. Okay, so what I'll do now, next, I'll tell you about the grep command which we have already discussed last time. So what we were doing that time, we were using the command grep, then space, then we are supposed to put the uh, search argument. So I'm writing demo, then space, and just pass your file path. So my file path is /home /sharmit /abc.txt. This file is present at /home /sharmit abc.txt, and we are looking for the keyword demo. Now at the moment if I hit enter, it will show me the exact line where this keyword resides. So you can see it is providing two lines, demo from file 1 and demo from file 2, which is correct, right? But as I told you, this is not the multiple file case because this thing we have already discussed in our last session. Now, same thing I'll apply but on a different file which is present in hash directory. So let me make it as double hash directory. So what it will do, this time it will show me the demo, it will show me the line which contains the demo keyword in file 2. So you can see it finds the demo keyword in file 2 at this line, demo from file 2. So we got this line, but again this is not the multiple file case because in this situation we are hitting two query in order to fetch the results. Now I'll tell you a combined way through which you can just simply hit one command and it will search for the argument, whether it is demo or anything else, into both the files, into multiple files, even more than two files as well. Okay, so for that you just need to write grep, then a space, and after that you can put the search argument. So in my case search argument is demo, then a space /home /Sharmit / then file name. So I'll put like this abc.txt, then second file path which is /home /Sharmit double hash, which is directory name /abc.txt. So if I hit enter here, what it will do, it will search for this argument in both the files. You can see we have provided both paths. So it will search in the both path and it will populate that specific line. So you can see there are three places where this keyword is found. Now, although you can directly pass the file name if it is at home directory, but I recommend you to put the complete path for both the files. Why? Because when it prints the line, it will be helpful for you to understand, okay, so this text is coming from this area, this text is coming from this file. Okay, so this is why we are using it. Okay, so yeah, now few rules about this pattern. First one is the case sensitivity. So yes, it is case sensitive. If you are searching for capital demo, then it will not find anything because it is not present in the file, right? So here small a and capital A is different thing. Make it very clear, because if you are searching in by considering this only, then you will be able to get the correct result. Okay, so just make sure that you are looking for the correct results only. Fine. Now next thing is if you would like to search for more than two files, then it is fine. You can pass the other file's name as well. That's not an issue, right? And if you search for anything which is not present, like we search for demo, capital demo, it is not present in both the files, so it simply show me nothing. Okay, it is not showing anything. Why? Because it is not present, it is not found in any of the files. So that's why it simply leave the thing. Okay, so I think now it is clear and we are comfortable with this grep command for multiple files. So yeah, now I'll quickly show you how we can use it in the clle program, because for this command there are few things changed in the clle program. So let me tell you. So here you can see, first of all, this program is for CL program to search the keyword using grep command, but for multiple files. Okay, so first of all you are supposed to declare the variable. So just write dcl, then take F4. Okay, I think my cursor is at wrong place. Take F4 on dcl. Let me refresh the thing, because yeah, so here I'll place my cursor on dcl, then press F4. So here we are supposed to provide the variable name, type, storage, length, then simply hit enter. After that we are supposed to provide the command name. So just simply write chg var, command name is grep, and you can see this command is long, so we just use multiple line. So grep demo, grep is a command, demo is the keyword, abc.txt is my first file, although you should use the file path, but here for the first file I'm not passing it. That's fine because it is my home directory. present working directory, then my second file path, and then it's ready. So once you hit enter, you will find that it add a plus wherever it is required, because we are changing line, so that's okay, right? You can take option F4 and just put your command in this way, and it will automatically add these plus wherever it is needed. Then we are good to start the Qshell. So just simply write strqsh, then take F4, provide your variable name, and we are good. Okay, so this is how it will work. So yeah, let me compile this program and see the output for this. So it is compiled. Now I'm calling it. So you can see it provide me 3 lines which contains the keyword demo. Okay, so this is how it works. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.